say logged in here and switching it. AWS S3 LS3 unable to locate the credentials. You can configure a credential by running a AWS config. I'm getting a it's not allowing me. But whereas there due to some issues it's allowing me. Yes, might be it takes some time to get effect here. So once it is affected and then it will not be this command will not get executed. Means whenever you execute this you'll get a permission denied error. So in IAM role there is another concept which is called MFA, multi-factor authentication. So we know the two-way authentication, right? Two-way authentication. So when you log in a Gmail account, so first step of authentication is password. And when you enable a two-way authentication, the second step of authentication is you receive some OTP on your mobile that you need to give. The same way to secure AWS user logins, user accounts, we use a multi-factor authentication, MFA. MFA means multi-factor authentication. So once MFA is enabled, so first step of authentication is the user password. The second step of authentication is the code, RSA key or code which is received on your mobile or your device. RSA devices you might have seen them. So there would be a device which randomly generates the numbers. So that number you need to provide here to log in. So that is how you can secure the MFAs. I mean your user accounts. So I'll show you how to do that. So if you remember when I log in as a this user, I haven't used any. I just used the password to log in, but after that I haven't used any keys. So if I want to enable a MFA, I need to click on here, activate MFA on your root account. For any users, if you want to activate MFA, okay. Suppose for a test user, I want to activate the multi-factor authentication. Click on test user, click on security credentials. Here, assigned MFA device. No, presently, no. So, MFA device might be a physical device. Small RSA key generator would be there that can be used, or else we can download a small application in our mobile. The application name is Google Authenticator. So when you download this, and once you download it, you need to scan the barcode. That's it. We are going to receive what? Good morning. So you need to click on this edit button to enable the MFA. So select a type of MFA device to activate virtual MFA device and hardware MFA device. Can anybody download the Google Authenticator? It's a 1 minute task. So virtual,
I'll do.
yeah. So virtual MFA device, Google Authenticator. Name of the app is what? Google Authenticator. A virtual MFA device or hardware MFA device. So virtual means that we need to have application in our mobile, or else if you have a hardware MFA device, you can use that also. As we don't have hardware device, we are using what? Virtual MFA. Next step. So this, once you downloaded that app, you need to scan this barcode. If your virtual MFA application supports a scanning QR codes, scan the following QR code with your smartphone's camera.
Will it work on Mac?
Yeah, yeah. You have downloaded it?
In the process.
Okay. So once it is downloaded, please scan this barcode.
Oh, I have it in my phone too. I don't know if it works.
It works for everybody. You just have to scan it. Place the camera and scan it. Are you doing it? Still downloading.
I have QR code reader.
Done? Anjali?
No. It's asking me to sign in to Google or
Sorry?
something.
Okay, okay. So let me use my mobile. Just a moment.
I used to, I mean, I have, in my phone, I have QR code reader, but it doesn't work for that.
So Google Authenticator. You know the Google Authenticator app. So just a moment. I'll bring my phone. So actually, I'm scanning the barcode here. So I need to enter a two codes here. I scanned the barcode. I'm entering the numbers. One.
So how will you get the code too? I mean, I downloaded it into my phone and I scanned it and it gave me one number and
That,
it says account edit. Oh, okay. Now it gave me another one. Okay.
like that randomly it generates the codes.
So the first time whatever code was generated, you put it into the authentication code file. And what goes in the authentication code too?
The second code you need to enter.
I had the same.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
The MFA device was successfully associated with your account. So now MFA is enabled for this user. Which user? Test user. Test user. So here I logged in as a test user. I log out and log in back. Submit. Should be. So copy this URL.
So are we going to continue on IAM role tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
So tell me the code, whatever which is displaying over there. The last code is 869 and 263. So it allows me once I give a code. So this is how we can enable a two-way authentication on MFA. Multi-factor authentication. Once you enable this, what happens? Your account will be secured. Somehow somebody got your password, somebody hacked your password. Still, you cannot be able to access your AWS account without having a passcode. I mean, the MFA code. Okay. So for today, we'll stop here. Tomorrow, we'll continue. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.